Okay, and then we want if Q damage dot major less than 1 or Q damage dot minor less than, I think we want 1. Like, I think we're just going to support 1, 1. Yeah, I think we want 1, 1. X server doesn't support version 1.1 of damage. Go to discard X fixes. We can get rid of this. Okay. And this we want QX fixes, and then this we want X fixes, X fixes. Couldn't query X fixes extension version. Oh, yikes. Go to discard shared memory. And this should be discard X fixes. And then we want if QX fixes dot major version. Yeah, the thing is, I don't actually know which version I want. Like, kind of just one. Oh, is that all that's supported in one? Wow. Maybe I do want regions. I think I do. I don't even know if I want X fixes, to be honest. I think I want 2. Version 1, 2, I think. No, it's 2, 0. X server doesn't support version 2.0 of X fixes. Go to discard shared memory. Okay, and then we want Q shared memory equals XCB shared memory. Yeah, shared memory query version reply con Q shared memory C error. If error is not equal to null, warnx couldn't query MIT shared memory extension version error. Oh, it's not error. It's X error 2 string. And then we want to go to free extensions, and we want to say if Q shared memory dot major version. Yeah, what is the version we need? 1, 2. Less than 1 or Q shared memory minor versions less than 2. We want to warn X server doesn't support version 1.2 of MIT shared memory. And we want to go to free extensions. I guess I want to disconnect from the X server, right? You know, I could just do that. I could, because XCB will clean up all the resources it's allocated, including all the replies it's still waiting on. So I don't actually think I need to do all this. To do, this is not necessary, just XCB disconnect. The thing is, this is maybe a good, I don't think it's a good example though, because I think the thing is, in general, we'll be dealing with a whole class of objects rather than objects that are mostly the same but are different because they're from different... I don't know. I don't actually know what the general case is going to look like. But in the general case, we're not just going to call XCB disconnect. Like, you know, if there's an error processing an X event, we're just going to keep going. We're not going to shut down the entire program. So this function is a little bit unusual in that we can just like shut down the entire program. Well, we can just shut down the connection to the X server. But in general, we may potentially have to do something similar to this. Let's see if it even compiles first before we think about... Oh yeah, they're all pointers. True. Let's find major version. Major version. And then we'll find minor version. Oh. We only have two of them. Okay. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, fair enough. Do I have a utils by any chance? I don't. Fair enough. Xfix is 1.0? I don't know about 1.0, but okay. Const char pointer x error to string xcb generic error t error It honestly, it doesn't need to be a pointer. But whatever. Switch, error code, case. Not convinced by this. Error value opcode. Opcode for value. Request. XCB math. Man.